Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous videos, I have shown you the usage of multiple web element commands. Now I'm going to start how to handle drop downs using select class in Selenium. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, the HTML drop downs are typically implemented using either the select tag or the input tag. What does it mean? So we have this sample web page for showing you the practical implementation of automation. Okay, so you see here I have this drop down. Okay, so when I am opening the developer tool and I am going to look at the HTML DOM, and for this particular drop down you can see we have a select tag here. So in HTML this drop down can also be implemented using input tag, and it can also be implemented using select tag like in this case. So whenever this any HTML drop down is implemented using select tag, there we can use the select class of Selenium to handle the drop downs. Okay, so it provides various methods for doing various operations on drop down menus. For example, selecting options by their visible text, selecting options by their index in the list, and selecting options by their attribute values. And then there are some methods where you can also deselect the options, like suppose there can be drop downs where you have selected multiple options from the drop down menu and then you want to deselect certain options. You can also do that. We will see everything one by one. So first of all, what is meant by selecting options by their visible text? So see in this example only, you can see inside the select tag we have multiple options. Okay, so in this case you can see I have options: automation testing, performance testing, manual testing, and database testing. All these four options are given here one by one, and each option has the attribute ID, value, and they are represented by index numbers which starts from 0. So for this one, for the first option, the index assigned is 0. For the second option, the index assigned is 1, and then 2, and so on. Okay, so first of all, if I want to select any option by their visible text, what I have to do, I have to use the method select by visible text. First I will show you how this method we can use, and how do we use the select class. Then I will use these methods one by one. Okay, so first of all I want to attain the XPath of this particular drop down, because when I am navigating to this page and I to select any option from this drop down, the first thing that I want to do is clicking on this. Okay, and for clicking on this particular element I will be needing the web element. Okay, so let's create the XPath first. So web element, say drop down equals to driver dot find element by dot XPath, and inside the XPath I will be writing the XPath here. So let's see what is the XPath in this case. So I have this select ID, and this ID, I have unique ID. On the basis of this I can simply create my XPath. Okay, so let's write it /, and then so first of all I am writing here /, and then the select tag, and then I'll be using the ID. So @ID equals to, and let's copy the ID from here as it is. So I'm copying it from here and I'm writing it here. Okay, so you can see one element found for the XPath. So I'm copying and I'm pasting it in place of the XPath. Okay, so I have created my web element successfully. Now I want to use because I want to use the select class. So first I will have to create the object of the select class. Okay, we can create an object of the select class by passing the object of the web element class, which represent the object written by the corresponding locator of the web element. What does it mean? Suppose I am writing here select equals to new select, and here first of all for this I have to import the corresponding package where the select class is visible available. So I'm clicking on import, and here I'll be writing this drop down, passing the drop down as the argument here. Okay, so I have created an object of the select class using select is equals to new select, and in the as an argument I have to pass this drop down web element. Okay, and guys, when I created the object of this select class, it asked me to import the corresponding package where the select class is available. So here I have written this point. The package where this class is available is org.openqa.selenium.support.ui. So I have to import this. Okay, now using this object I can see it is providing me various methods which can be used to handle the drop downs. So here we are using select by visible text. The first option, how do we select any particular element by using visible text? So you can see here I have method select by visible text. Okay, so let's see, in this case we have visible text is automation testing, performance testing, manual testing, and database testing. So let's say I want to select the performance testing. So I'm copying it from here and then I am pasting it here, and then I'm going to run this program. We will see whether it will select performance testing or not. Okay, so let's run. So the program is running. The browser has been launched, it has opened the page, and now you can see here the performance testing was selected. Okay, so let's print something here so that we know that it can give me a message that it has successfully selected the following option. Okay, sorry guys, use this shortcut here, system.out.println. The required option is selected successfully. Okay, so let's run one more time. Now please see carefully, it will select the performance testing here. In fact, let's change the value here this time because we have already seen this option. Now I am copying this manual testing visible text and I am pasting it here. Okay, now I'm running the program. Now you will see the browser is getting launched. So it is launched successfully. The web application has been opened. Now you can see it is selecting the manual testing. Okay, and it has printed required option is selected successfully. So this is how we use select by visible text. Okay, now in the next video I will show you what is meant by select option by their index and select option by their attribute values, and then further how do we deselect options and all. Okay, so guys, please like this video, comment if you want to leave any feedback or any question or anything, if you like my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends, and let me know the topics on which you want me to make videos, anything related to manual testing or automation testing, anything. I'm happy to make videos on these topics, and for this one I'll be completing this playlist very soon. Okay guys, thank you. Let's catch up in the next video, proceeding with the select by index and select by attribute. Thank you, bye.